if I told you that by the end of this video you'll be able to create cinematic AI videos that looks like they are straight out of a movie, even if you've never used Google Flow before? In the next few minutes, I'll show you the exact prompt formula that beginners can copy, the common mistakes that ruins AI videos, and at the end, I will share the workflow I use to make the most of the free credits available across my own Google account so I can keep practicing without running out too quickly. Let's get started. Hello, welcome to the Creative Susans, where I help beginners turn confusing AI tools into simple, practical skills so you can create better content, save time, and grow faster online. Let's get started. Okay, so to create your cinematic AI videos, the first thing you have to do is that you need a good prompt. Some beginners make this mistake by writing just short prompts without details and all that, and it gives them poor results. So the first thing you have to do is to go to ChatGPT. And before telling you the structure of how you should prompt your video for ChatGPT to give you a very good result, I want to tell you, please watch this video till the end, because I'm going to, at the end of this tutorial, I'm going to give you the hack to help you generate as many videos as possible with free credits on Google Flow, up to 1,000 videos. I'm going to give you that hack so that you'll be able to generate as many scenes as possible. And I'm also going to help you to give you a hack that I use. As you can see, we will be generating just one prompt, but we can get so many scenes from just one prompt. So let's start by giving ChatGPT a prompt now. So I just put here, make sure you have a good idea in mind. If you don't have any idea in mind, chat, you can also tell chat and it is going to give you an idea to use. Okay, so I'll use the mic function here now. I'll not, hi ChatGPT, so please, I want to generate a cinematic video using Google Flow. So I need a detailed prompt. The prompt should be the video should be about, is a cinematic video, so I want a video about a group of treasure hunters going on an adventure to hunt treasures, and where they are hunting the treasure is in a place where giant ostriches and other giant birds do, and they are guiding the treasure there. So I want a prompt that I can use to generate where the treasure hunters are grabbing giant gems like crystal, treasures like precious gold bars and the rest. So give me a prompt that I can use to generate that video, just a 10 seconds video on Google Flow. So as you can see, ChatGPT is giving us the video now. Okay, the video prompt, this is what ChatGPT is giving us, and as I see, it breaks down everything. Okay, so this is the first scene prompt. So to make this, like, you want to make scene 1, scene 2, scene 3, and so all you have to do is to come back here again. Please give me scene 2 of the above prompt. Okay, so this is the scene 2 of the above prompt. If you want scene 3, you go ahead. You want scene 4, you go ahead. So this is how to get your scenes without much work. Okay, so what I'm doing now is to copy the scene 1 prompt that ChatGPT gave me. Yes, let me just click on copy. Then we'll now head over to my browser. Okay, so you head over to your browser and just type in Flow AI. So this is Flow AI. Click on the first option here. So it's going to log you into the Flow AI main interface. Okay, so this is my interface. Then you can either click on new project. Okay, you can either click on new project or click on this try Omni now. Okay, so here is my interface. All I have to do now is to click on here and paste in my prompt. So I've pasted my prompt now. So as you can see, the prompts I've already did the settings. It should be on video, not image. Then the aspect ratio 16:9. If you're using it for short, 9:16, and the seconds 10 seconds, and so on. So let's hit on generate. So as you can see, our video have started generating. Our video is generating now. So here is the hack I want to give you. Okay, please watch this video till the end. Okay, so the hack is, if you are generating videos with Google Flow free credits, is not the paid version. Okay, this, you have only 3 chances to generate free videos in one account. And sometimes when you exhaust that, if you want to change to another account, you will not be able to generate again. They will give you some restrictions. So if you don't want to be restricted, you want to generate as many videos as you want, all you have to do is, after generating scene 1 and scene 2, the next thing you have to do is to swap, switch your account, that like to the next Google account. You can have 5 Google accounts, you can have 6 Google accounts also. Just generate 2 scenes in one account, then you switch to the other one to generate 2 scenes again. You switch to, with that you are not going to be restricted. You can generate as many videos as possible. So now our video is ready. Let me play it so that you have you see how the video looks like. So take a look at this. As you can see, our video came out so well. Like, it came out so clean and good. So this is all you have. If you want to continue generating, you just go back, you just go back, grab the next you just go back and grab the next prompt and continue generating. And once you're done generating the first and second scene here, you go back and create the next scene too. So to download the video, just long press on it and you see this download video option. You click on download and it's going to save directly to your browser, to your gallery rather. It's going to save directly to your gallery. So that's just how to basically create your cinematic AI videos. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end, and I'll see you in the next one. Please leave a comment, subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you and bye for now.